Hi, my name is Chaya Nubager, and I currently reside in Israel. Over the course of my years as a student, I've had many amazing teachers that created great imprints in my life. Yet the teachers that made the greatest impressions on my life were the ones that took a personal interest in each student. They didn't just teach material, they taught students. They made sure that we each succeed in our own way. I graduated and I had a dream to become a teacher and show personal interest in each of my students' lives and make sure that each one can succeed. So I started off as a co-teacher in a second grade class in Bistova of Lakewood. The class was comprised of 10 children, each with their own learning disabilities. It was quite a challenge and it needed a lot of discipline, but I gained a lot from that class. I learned that if with love, with care, and with patience, you can let each student taste the sweetness of success. I then got married and moved to Israel, and I currently teach Israeli children how to read and write English, each at their different levels. And I teach each student as an individual, and each with their own through a different method, what works best for them. I have some older students who are very smart and educated and familiar with the Hebrew language, and I compare it more to English, and I teach it more as a comparison, and that method worked really well, and they caught on really quickly. And then I have some younger students who I teach with more a basic level, building up from the lower to building, and I'm really seeing a lot of success. A lot of my students are reading chapter books already and writing full paragraphs. I'm excited to take these courses and perfect and learn new things in the field of education and look forward to working together with all of you.